We'll guide you through how to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is convenient to do because you can then go and access those same messages. You can do this on an iPhone and an Android, by the way. So just for context, this is the account I want to go and have on the other phone, the second one. The good thing about Android is if you currently have a primary WhatsApp account on here, you can actually go and add this one as a second one. So you can press the three dots in the top right, press settings, and you'll see a plus to the right of your profile. Press there and press add account in the bottom, and you'll then be brought to the welcome to WhatsApp page. On an iPhone, you can only have one. So you'll need to just go and you can back up the chats if you currently have WhatsApp, delete WhatsApp and re-download it, or if you haven't got it yet, download it for the first time. You can do the same thing on Android as well. You can just go and download it. So then what you want to do is on the screen where it says enter your phone number, press the three dots in the top right and press link as companion device. On the primary device on an Android, press the three dots in the top right and go down and press link devices. On an iPhone, press U in the bottom right and you can find link devices. Then press link a device, verify yourself, and then you can go and scan the QR code. It'll go and say logging in, you need to go and wait. That's it, we're now using the same account. Leave a like if you found this useful.